SAINIK School IMPHAL AMSUNG Sports Authority of India site TAKYEL na SHINDUNA Ngasi Sundays on Cycle Manipur edition Ngasi Pangthokhre cycle rally adu SAINIK School IMPHAL lagi lamtharaga hangang da laiba ibudau marzingi khubam phawba jatki cycle rally lamthabagi thormadu da SAINIK School IMPHAL gi principal Colonel A Rajib Vice Principal Lieutenant Colonel Satish Kumar Singha Asa Rajib Nair Sachin Kumar A Romel amadi L Manoranjan Roy Sarkiaki thormaduga mani lainana SAINIK School Principal SAINIK School gi IMPHAL gi Principal Colonel A Rajib Nahai ngalingai matamda chathok chasin tawbagi khwaidagi maru eba pambai amu oina sizinaramba bicycle singa sidi makhal makha kaya gi gari singna sinkhibadagi sijinabagi chang aduki matik hanthakrai cycle thawbana miyoibagi haksang da piriba kanabasing amadi masina mahusagi khal kanbada pangliba mateng sing adu miyam da wakal tahananabagi pantamda cycle rally asi pangthokpani rally asina lamdambasda leminariba mipung khudingmak ki marakta machin mana oibagi nungsi chanaba amadi tangdu laitaba purakpa oirasanu hainasu makna makatana phongdokhe.
Today this event is being organized in collaboration with the Sports Authority of India towards their Fit India movement. This is a cycle rally basically aiming at universal brotherhood and peace. We have good number of cadets taking part in this event, the cycle rally. We hope spreads the message that we envisage of universal brotherhood. In a short while, this team shall be leaving, and we are indeed indebted to SAI for having supported us in this cause.